Hey folks, I just wanted to do a quick video for you here before I run out of daylight. So as you know from my other videos, we're going to start doing a square foot garden this year. And so I wanted to do an easy grid layout here. I just used some natural fiber twine that I had and got some eye hooks to screw into there. I didn't want to mount them on the top since this is a seat, and I didn't want to use extra twine coming around to that side, so just attached them right in there. And I drilled some pilot holes first to make that a little easier. Oh, great. Well, that one just broke off. Okay, I'll have to fix that. So anyway, the square foot method, if you're not familiar, it arranges everything using square foot blocks for each plant. So everything takes up a different amount of space. So for example, you can do one broccoli, one cauliflower. If you're doing like peppers and tomatoes, they also take up a block. But then other things, you can cram a lot more. So for instance, the onions, you can fit 16. We're going to do carrots here. You can also do 16. And then like your lettuce, you can do 4. And then, well, we've got some Swiss chard and stuff at the end here. You may have seen in the other video, those didn't do as well. We should have had a lot more Swiss chard. But that's the way that I set these trellises up, so we can do our 4 tomato plants in there. And so that's it. Basically just wanted to show what I set up here. There are a lot of different ways to do this. Some people do like some thin, like an inch wide wood strips, like a trim piece or something, and make a grid that way. I kind of feel like that takes up a little bit of the growing space. So I wanted something that would kind of stay out of the way, so this twine should be good for that. So anyway, just wanted to show that. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.